That last coat of clear will usually reveal any imperfections you might have missed when doing bodywork on your project. But that's not when you want to find out you screwed up. You want to find that out during the bodywork phase. And that's why you use guide coat, right? Well, this stuff right here is an extra layer of security. Perfect Panel Check Fluid is designed to be sprayed onto your project before it goes into paint so you can get a good representation of what your bodywork will look like once it has some gloss to it. Spray it over the filler or primer on your panels and look at the reflection to check your work. This is great for looking at big panels like doors and hoods, or even checking your body lines. The fluid covers the panel in a smooth and even finish that allows you to see blemishes that you would have missed without this stuff. It's not something that flashes off right away either. It actually gets a little better the longer it sits. We used it on our Datsun project and grabbed a long LED light to check out the bodywork, using the reflection of light to make sure everything looked nice and good. Keep in mind the optimal environment for this stuff is 64 through 77 degrees with a relative humidity between 40% and 60%. Now it'll still work outside of that, but dry time for this could be a little shorter or a little bit longer. Speaking of dry time, you don't need to chemically remove the coating before you paint. Once it completely dries and flashes off, you're good to spray. But keep in mind, we always recommend doing a final wipe down with pre-painting prep on a vehicle before you paint, just to remove any dirt or contaminants. If you have spent hours and hours getting your car as straight as possible, you definitely need to pick up a can of Perfect Panel Check Fluid to ensure your paint has that show car finish we know you're looking for. For more information on this or any other products Eastwood offers, follow the link in the description to visit eastwood.com.